Okay, we're almost there. So anyway, we'll do a little video quick. Nobody told me to do this, but that's what I do. People that's good, I give them credit. People come after me, I go after them for years and years and years. You know how it is. It's a Scottish thing. Anyway, again, this morning, this is what, Monday, I got somebody that emailed me, wanted to give me a camera, and they were going to look for a cord. I said, no, everything's fine. So, I got a nice camera last week, and from Ruben. Ruben is a dog. Don't be jealous. Ruben is a dog, and the camera is what I'm filming it now. And because my camera broke. Now, here's the camera. Works, but you can't see. And if I lift the screen, I can't see. And that's the magic. This camera here does not have this, and that's the only bad thing. Besides that, it's a beautiful camera, but I don't know if I'm filming myself or not. I can't see. And the sun. So this camera's broken. So what do? You come here. Now, will People Alliance fix your camera? Don't think so. But next election, vote Green Party. Up north is Acadien. Down south, vote for the People Alliance. Okay, never mind that. Front the two-party system. Focus, Charles. Fredericton Camera Service. Fredericton North Side. Here's the building. This guy is from Vancouver, been here, what, 4 or 5 years? He's good, he's cheap, and it's very, very rare that we can have people like that, two professional fixing your camera. So what do? You come here, and you behave, which he always does. Like I said, he doesn't know I'm coming. I don't do something good for me, I praise them. Go against me, if you know the story. He's the sniffer. Is he there?
I think he's going to grab it.
Where did he go?
Tracking someplace. Where the hospital's in Ramsey.
So this is the place. Come here, and the best service around.